How to increase followers on Instagram without ban. Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you how to increase followers on Instagram without ban. To start, open your internet browser. On your internet browser, search for EasySMM Shop. Once you're now here on the search results, you're going to be scrolling down. Then you are going to be selecting the link that says EasySMMM.shop. Once you are now here, you're going to scroll down. We are going to be looking for Instagram services. Then in here, we are going to be selecting the button that says Buy Now. Once you're now here, you're going to be selecting the number of followers that you want to get. And then there is also a corresponding price for it. Once you have made up your mind, select the button that says Buy Now. After selecting Buy Now, all you have to do this time is to input the link of your Instagram, then input your email as well. When you scroll down, you will need to select the payment method. Proceed with the payment and then it should all be good to go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one, so please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.